Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily convert a Word document to a PDF, and then convert a PDF back to a Word document. This works on both Windows and Mac computers, and I'll show you step by step how to do it using built-in tools and free software. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with converting a Word document to a PDF. This is a simple process that can be done directly within Microsoft Word. Begin by opening the Word document that you want to convert to a PDF. Once your document is open, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Save As. Then choose the location on your computer where you want to save the PDF. In the Save as Type drop-down menu, choose PDF. Click Save, and your Word document will be converted to a PDF and saved to your chosen location. And that's it! You've successfully converted your Word document to a PDF. Now, let's say you have a PDF file, but you need to make some edits and want to convert it back to a Word document. Here's how you can do that. Open Microsoft Word, then go to File. Open. Select the PDF file you want to convert. Microsoft Word will automatically convert the PDF to an editable Word document. You'll see a message letting you know that it's converting the file. Click OK to continue. Now, your PDF is fully editable as a Word document. You can make any changes you need here. After making your edits, save the file as a Word document by going to File, Save As, and selecting Word Document from the drop-down menu. And there you have it. You've converted your PDF back to a Word document and made your edits. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily convert Word documents to PDFs and PDFs back to Word documents. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.